हाय एवरीवन, डॉक्टर स्वप्ना मिश्रा अगेन दिस साइड। सो आज का हमारा टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन रहेगा एक्सरसाइजेस ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी। अब तक हमने सारे डिस्कशंस कर रखे हैं कि डिलीवरी के 2 महीने बाद कौन कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस करनी चाहिए कि आप शेप में आ जाएं। अब मैं आपको वो एक्सरसाइजेस बताना चाहती हूँ जो आप प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान करेंगे, सेकेंड मंथ और थर्ड मंथ ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी। नाउ व्हाई एक्सरसाइजेस ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी इज नीडेड? इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, चाहे आपका पहला नॉर्मल डिलीवरी हो, चाहे इस बार आप नॉर्मल के लिए प्लान कर रहे हो, या चाहे कोई रीजन से आपको सर्जरी की जरूरत हो। एक्सरसाइजेस आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर आप नॉर्मल डिलीवरी के लिए प्लान कर रहे हैं, ये एक्सरसाइजेस आपकी बॉडी को फ्लेक्सिबल बनाती हैं और आपके नॉर्मल डिलीवरी स्मूथ करने में बहुत हेल्प करती हैं। अगर आपका बाई चांस कोई रीजन से सिजेरियन हो रहा है तो ये एक्सरसाइजेस आपको पोस्ट सिजेरियन रिकवरी में काफी हद तक हेल्प करती है। So we are going to totally focus on the exercises during pregnancy. First 3 months में कौन सा करना चाहिए, next 3 months में कौन सा करना चाहिए, last 3 months में कौन सा करना चाहिए. So we will be going to our model who will be doing the exercises for us. Before that, just want to tell you that in the first 3 months of pregnancy, the only and only exercises which are absolutely safe is walking. So walking for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour daily, morning, evening, breaks में continuous, your choice, but that is to be done. But avoid running. अवॉइड कपाल भाती या एक्सरसाइजेस जिसमें आप एब्डोमिनल मसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, बिकॉज दोज एक्सरसाइजेस आर नॉट सेफ ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी। बट बिफोर यू हुक ऑन टू द एक्सरसाइजेस जो हम आपको अभी सिखाने वाले हैं, प्लीज कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर वेदर दीज एक्सरसाइजेस आर सेफ फॉर यू और नॉट। So we are back to our model, Dr. Rabia Kapoor, who is the lactation and physiotherapy consultant at Fortis Hospital, Mohali, who makes the entire process of delivery very, very smooth for each and every one of you. She is the in charge of the Mamma Mia program at Fortis Hospital. So over to Dr. Rabia, who is going to start up with the warm-up exercises, which are absolutely safe in all the trimester of pregnancy, can be done by each and every one. Each exercise has to be repeated 5 times and at least 3 sets for each exercise has to be done. So over to Dr. Rabia for a breathing and warm-up exercises.
So hands on the waist, and we'll start with the neck rotation. Halfway breathe in and halfway breathe out. Then anti-clockwise direction. Halfway breathe in and halfway breathe out. Then shoulder rotation. Halfway in and halfway out. Again clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then wrist rotation. Halfway in and halfway breathe out. Then hands on the shoulder, make a circle, halfway breathe in and halfway breathe out. This way. Then we'll do the hip circles, hands on the waist, legs apart, and we'll make a hip circle, halfway breathe in and halfway breathe out. Then anti-clockwise direction. Then we'll do the knee movement, kicking, so hand on the thigh and do the kicking. Then opposite side, again kicking. Then foot, ankle rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then opposite side, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Do not hold the breath in between. Keep breathing every time and then relax.
Next set is mind-body relaxation exercise.
So for that you have to sit in a cross-leg position, hands on the knees, chin mudra, and relax your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Again in and breathe out. Incoming breath gives you calmness and outgoing breath relaxes your body. Then slowly place your one hand on chest and one on tummy. And you have to take a long, slow, deep breath in up to your tummy. Breathe in and exhale through mouth. While inhalation, your tummy moves out. And while exhalation, your tummy moves in. While doing this, your inhalation should be shorter than your exhalation. So do 5 repetitions of this also and then relax.
The next set is the lung expansion exercises for breathlessness during pregnancy.
So for this, again you have to sit comfortably, hands on the ground, and then you have to take your arms up and take long, slow, deep breath in. And then taking your arms down and exhale. Again, breathe in and breathe out. And relax. Then we'll do the side bendings. So for that, you have to place your elbow on the side and breathe in and hold the position, but do not hold the breath in between. And then exhale. Again, I'm doing on the same side. Breathe in and then breathe out. Then opposite side. Breathe in and then breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and then breathe out. Then we'll do the side bendings, side rotation. So you have to place your hand on the opposite knee and then turn toward opposite side. Hold the position for some time and then opposite side. Keep breathing, maintain the posture and then relax.
Now we are coming to the exercises for the second trimester of pregnancy. So we'll be starting with the cat and cow exercise for relaxing your pelvic bone and making your backbone stronger. Then we'll go for lunges, which are good for your legs. And in the end, we are going for the pelvic relaxation exercises, which is a modification of Vajrasana to make your pelvic muscles strong and also relax it properly. Over to Dr. Rabia.
So for that, you have to stand straight and then come in an all-four position. Hands just below the shoulder, legs apart, shoulder width apart. So you have to take a long deep breath in, breathe in, neck up. And then while exhalation, you have to take your neck down, chin tuck in, and also the pelvic tilt. So maintain the posture for a few seconds. And then again, breathe in. And then breathe out. And relax. So this is the cat and cow pose, and now we'll do the lunges. For lunges, you have to stand straight, legs apart. Now take your right foot toward right side and then bend your right leg in this side. Place your elbow here and then breathe in. Hold the position, keep breathing and then slowly come back and relax. Turn your foot. Now opposite side, again, bend your left knee and then maintain the posture. Keep breathing, do not hold the breath in between again and then relax. So this is the lunges pose, and then we'll do the baby pose relaxation. So sit in a Vajrasana this way, then open your legs wider, take a pillow and then slowly slide your hands down and place your head on your pillow and relax for a few seconds. This is very good for the relaxation for the back muscles also.
Now we are entering from the second trimester to the third trimester. So we'll be going for exercises which are absolutely great for your pelvic bone and the pelvic tilt and the back muscles. So we'll be starting initially with the bridging exercises, followed by half squats and then the full squats, which really pushes the baby down just prior to your delivery and helps you have a smooth, painless, normal delivery. So over to Dr. Rabia.
So for the bridging, you have to lie down straight, hands on the sides, knee bend, and then slowly you have to lift your hip up. While lifting your hip up, you have to squeeze your buttocks too, but do not hold the breath in between. So maintain the posture for a few seconds and then slowly down. Again, breathe in, lift your hip up, hold the posture and then slowly down. Then slowly take a side turn and then get up. Then we'll do the half squats. So we'll do the half squats with the breathing. So you have to place your one hand on chest and one on tummy, legs apart, and then take long deep breath in. And then while exhalation, bend your knees down, hands down, and then inhale again, and then shift your hands, one on chest and one on tummy. Breathe in and then again half squats and then breathe in and breathe out and then relax. And the third exercise is full squats. So take a full support of wall and then slowly move down and then sit in a full squat position and sit in a namaste pose and do the breathing exercise as long as you can. So breathe in and then breathe out. This is very good posture for your baby to come down and then relax.
So you all must have learned that each exercise has to be repeated at least 5 times and at least 3 sets has to be done. Now Dr. Rabia will be teaching us how to do a meditation or relaxation after you've finished all the exercises. Over to Dr. Rabia.
So for that you have to lie down in a sideline position and then you can play some nice relaxation music. One hand on the tummy and one hand rest in the relaxation pose. And then you can lie down for 5 to 10 minutes and do the meditation.